Hi, this is Sherry at Smoky Mountain Maker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these mesh wreaths. And if you'd like to learn how to make this in less than 15 minutes, come along with me to my craft room.
Okay, so I've got this cut into a 10-foot section. The mesh that I had was 30 feet by 20 inches, so we cut it into 10 inches, 10 feet. And we're going to just gather this up, and I'm going to take all these little pieces here and just cut them off, get them out of the way. Now we're going to take one of our Chanel pot stems here, and we're going to just tie that edge right in there to hold that in. Okay, now this is a 14-inch wreath and it has 6 sections. So I took my 10-foot section, divided that up into 6 sections, and that is about 18 inches per section. So what I'm going to do is I've got this pulled out here. I'm measuring on my mat 18 inches, and I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it right here. We're going to tie that in. Alright, we're going to do another 18 inches. I'm pulling this up from the side, so there we go. I had to have it out of the way. And we're going to put it on this side. Our little Chanel stem that we've cut in half. Okay, and we're going to do it again. About right there. We're going to this side. Okay, and again. Okay, and then here's our last piece, and we're going to put it on the top. And it's just a little bit bigger than those others, so I'm just going to let it hang down. I could have got the measurements just a little bit off, but that's okay. I think it said 1.66666666, and so I just said 18 inches. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this, and we're going to do this in about thirds. So I'm going to bring that over here. Then we're going to take this back over here. See what we're doing? So 3 pieces. Our little Chanel stems. Back over here. See how that's alternating sides? And about 3 pieces. I'm going to bring one over here. One back over here. So I'm just using the inside and the outside. If you have a smaller wreath, and you use 10 feet, then you'll have a bigger poof. And alternatively, if you use more mesh, then you can make bigger poofs on your larger wreath. So it's totally up to you. I just want to give you an idea of what I'm doing here. Okay, so now we're going to play. So we're going to take these and we're going to pull all of this out. See how that's doubled up under there? So we're just pulling all of that out. And you may have to work a little bit to get this. Like I said, don't be afraid to mess with it. That's what you've got to do to get it to puff out. See, that edge is kind of folded, so I'm just keeping on pulling until I get it unfolded. See, and then that makes you a better puffy. See how much better that's looking? And when you first saw it, you thought, I don't know how that's going to do. But there you go. So just keep messing with it. Alrighty. And when you're happy with it, let me fix this one. Okay. And this can be moved over a little bit. So you can move them a little. If you need to, move them around. There. That looks a little better. Alright. Now I'm going to just tuck these tails underneath. So all I'm doing is pushing those little tails of those chenille stems underneath. So that looks pretty good just like that, right? But not enough. So what I'm going to do is I got this cute little bell, and I thought I would see how that would look. So there it is with the bell in it. Okay. Or if you wanted, let's see if I can get it where you can see it, you could put the bell under it. I don't like that as good. I like it where the bell would be more in it. So you would just tie that up with your, let's cut this off of here, with another one of your chenille stems. You can just tie that in here and fix it like that. And then you'd have this, which is really cute. But let's try something else. I got these picks, and I wanted to see what they would look like. So you could put them on. Those on there. And then get the tags off of these things. You could do something like that. Okay. So we've got that going on. I also have these cute little mittens that I found. Yeah, let's take the tags off of these things. That looks kind of tacky, don't it? That you can put on there. Now these might be a little bit harder to hang, so you may have to get a little bit creative. You might have to stick a thumb in there and then put your pipe cleaner. But you kind of get the idea of what we've got going on. And we could take these and put them there. So that would be another way to fix it. And I think, you know, you can just let your imagination be your guide and put what you want to on it. Now, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to take these off. And if you don't feel like this is full enough, if you want it a little fuller, then you could get you some ribbon and you can make you a bow. Or another option would just be to put you some ribbon in here. And then of course you would just want to play with that. And then once you get it where you want it, then again you can take your chenille sticks and tie it down. So you could do it like that. Or another way I think I would like is just to cut it and crisscross it. Let's make ends on these. Let's cut them, fold them in half, cut you a tail. Just want to cut a V out from the center out to the ends. So you have this nice little V. Then we're going to crisscross them. And we're going to go through one of our wires. And we're going to tie that on. And then hide your little bits of wire underneath. And then take your little pieces and do them like that. I think that looks cuter. I like that. Okay, and this is the last one. So I need one more piece of chenille here. Alrighty. I'll separate that one out a little bit and adjust it. There we go. Now, that just gives it a little something extra, don't you think? I think I like that. Alright, so got that pretty good adjusted. I think that's a pretty wreath. And then you can, like I said, you can just put whatever you want to in it. If you just want a little bit, or if you want nothing at all, you can put your picks in here, and there you got your wreath. So all you got to do right here is just take this piece of chenille stick, and let's find the other end of it here, and we're going to twist that there. So when you find something that goes with what you like, and then these picks here, a lot of times you can move this stuff around and fluff it up and you make it a little bit prettier. It's all stuck together because of this stuff here, but alright, we're going to put our pine cones, kind of cover that. So, there we go. Doesn't that look better? Now, I know some of my snow's coming off, but that's okay, because I like that look. I like that better that's fluffed up. So, there you go. And like I said, decorate it up to whatever you like. Use whatever colors that you prefer for your holiday season, and this would be pretty in so many colors. And then you can do it again for other seasons. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something. And this is Sherry at Smoky Mountain Maker. Thank you for dropping by, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.